Okay, so as in the last video, we have discussed about the action spectrum. So today here in this video, we will discuss about the photosynthetic pigments. So photosynthetic pigments are those pigments like which absorb the different wavelength of light, right? Absorb different wavelength of light. Absorb different wavelength of light. Like in the photosynthetic organism, two main groups of pigments are pigments present in which in photosynthetic organism two major groups are present are present. Number one group is chlorophyll, while second is carotenoids. These are the both are the main common major groups. Number one is chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll, while second is carotenoids. Fine. So here in the chlorophyll A, we have what chlorophyll A basically absorbs the different wavelengths of light. It absorbs the violet, red, orange light. Absorb violet, red, orange light, but it only reflects the green and yellow light in the more wavelength. Only reflect green and yellow light. Fine. And if I talk about here I do talk about the carotenoids. So carotenoids are basically those pigments which absorb the blue violet light. It absorbs the yellow, red, orange light, but it reflects the violet blue light. Violet blue light. It absorbs the violet and blue light. So here we have a chlorophyll is the major group. So here in the chlorophyll it includes this chlorophyll is the major group which includes chlorophyll A, B, C, D and E. In the chlorophyll A we have major 5 groups, so that's A, B, C, D, E. So A and B chlorophyll are only present in plants. However, if I do talk about C, D and E, those are present in alga. Okay. Now this chlorophyll consists of two parts. One is porphyrin part and one is phytotail. Let me write here. Yeah. Okay. So chlorophyll basically consists of two parts. Number one is porphyrin part, porphyrin head, while second part we have phytotail. Now here porphyrin head which is hydrophobic. Porphyrin head is hydrophilic. Porphyrin head is hydrophilic in nature, while phytotail is hydrophobic in nature. Now let me tell you difference between hydrophilic and hydrophobic. So hydrophilic are those, we can say, water molecules, those molecules which attract the water, which love the water, while the philic means love and hydro means water. Love the water. So those are hydrophilic. And if I do talk about hydrophobic, so which hate or which do not love the water, hate the water. Fine. Now this one head, porphyrin head is basically composed of tetrapyrrole ring. Let me write here. Yep. This porphyrin head is basically composed of what? Composed of tetrapyrrole. Yes, this is composed of tetrapyrrole ring. So in this porphyrin head, we have chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Both molecules are present. So here, if I do talk about the molecular formula of chlorophyll A will be that is C55 H72 O5 N4 and magnesium. And if I do talk about here chlorophyll B, so that formula is C55 H70 O6 N4 and magnesium. These are basically the molecular formula of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Now the last point here I'm gonna tell you chlorophyll A contain the methane group. Chlorophyll A contain the methane group which is CH4 CH3, and while chlorophyll B consists of aldehyde group, aldehyde group which is CHO. So in the next video we're gonna make the ring of this chlorophyll A, this tetrapyrrole ring. In the next video we're gonna see. I hope till this it is clear to you guys. Bye bye.